So the grind don't stop, according to Sicily. ATC on top, according to Sicily.
Hello, how are you? It must be Halloween. I bet you came for the candy, but you may leave with a spray.
What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. Today is Vlogtober day 10 and I'm gonna go ahead and kick off my Halloween decorate with me part 2. So we started off by shampooing our carpets because, as you can see, people love to walk through with no shoe covers on, even though I offer them. So Kaden was just showing you how dirty the water is, and I was giving you a better shot in case you couldn't see from what he was trying to show you. But this collab is hosted by Jessica Myros and organized with Joy. So make sure you check the link in my description box so you can see all of the other content. Y'all, I went all out this year, but I feel like that's just my personality. You have to let me know if you feel like I did a good job or if, you know, it's a bit too much. I wonder, do you all decorate for the holidays? And if so, comment down below what is your favorite holiday to decorate for. This time of year, I just enjoy pulling out all the stops.
Can't stop looking your way. What do you do to me? You make it hard to breathe. I'm tired of the people that talk about nothing, and I'm not wasting this moment. Even though I know that letting you go would be crazy. Thinking, no, I want you for myself. I don't need anybody else. Wanna leave this place. Meet me in the dark where we can both hide. No one's gonna steal our time again. We don't have to say much, let our lips touch. I will stay with you until the end. Meet me in the dark.
Y'all, it's something about having freshly shampooed carpets. Lord, I just love it. Anyway, for all of those that are new to my channel, let me stop and introduce myself. Hello, my name is Cicely. I'm a disabled mom of 2 young boys by way of sickle cell anemia, and I like making videos such as this. I love doing hauls, all types of recipes, and sometimes we do vlogs. I just wanted to encourage you that if I can get through life through hospitalizations and sickle cell anemia, you can get through life with whatever is thrown on your path. You can do it, and we can do it together. So go ahead and subscribe so you can become a part of ATC gang. All right, y'all, let's get back into this video. I'm going to go ahead and just add pillow covers because it's the easiest way to transform a space, and it's better for the environment because you're not tossing them out, and it's easy for storage. After that, I went ahead and gave my couch a good scrub down. You'd be surprised how much dirt and bacteria your couches actually hold. So I wanted to go ahead and knock that out before I began decorating my couch.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now.
So the last thing I'm going to decorate is my ottoman. I've been thinking, you guys, even though I just got this about 6 months ago, do you think I should trade it in for a coffee table? Let me know. Do you have an ottoman or a coffee table? And if you've made it this far in the video, drop a in the comments. So once me and Daniel finished decorating the ottoman, I wanted to add some finishing touches on the wall. You guys, I appreciate you so much for being here. I would love it if you would go ahead and give this video a thumbs up to help circulate my channel throughout YouTube. I'm on my way to 2K and I would love for you to help me get there. I hope this video just brings you spooky vibes and you're just enjoying the content for the new season. All right, you guys, I lit my candle and it's time for the reveal. Don't forget to check that description box. Bye.
Hello, how are you? It must be Halloween. I bet you came for the candy, but you may leave with a spray.
Share, subscribe, do that for Sicily. Till the grind don't stop, according to Sicily. ATC on top of